What's going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. My name is Montee, and in today's video we are going to change the battery on my Range Rover. Today's video is about persistence. So, what do I mean when I say persistence? Webster's defined it as firm or obstinate continuation in a course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. That's why I'm still making a video, even though both of my video ideas were not really coming together for me. One thing I did get done was hanging out with Rosetta for breakfast, and that was great. Rosetta and I had a lovely breakfast at, I don't remember. And now we're in my studio. I was going to do my lighting video, but I don't really feel like doing a thing with the lights, so you guys will get that video soon, and I really want to get it out to you. It's a video about cheap lighting and having a budget YouTube studio. So something I think that a lot of you may find useful if you want to create videos. I've had a few people ask me about video creation setup, so I really want to get that video out, but I'm just not feeling it right now. It's pretty cold outside. It is cold as so when I came up here to get started on this video, ran into some technical issues too. And it was really a simple fix of restarting my computer. Everything just had that red screen of death. Yes, that one. And well, I knew all my files were there because they're all stored on this little Drobo right here. A lot of redundancy. I'm gonna do another video on some of the gear that I've chosen and why I chose it and how it fits into my workflow. I'm working on a workflow video, and once I get all that stuff sketched out, I'll get that stuff recorded and share it with you guys, so hopefully you can create better videos. So in the meantime, just doing some vlogs and trying to make it through this cold weather. So why is perseverance important? In my case, in this creative venture, it's important to persist because you guys always show up for me and watch my videos. So that's one. And two, because I enjoy doing it. I'm not going to let frustration typically get in the way of something that I enjoy. Since I started on YouTube, I've put out a video every week on one channel or the other, and I really would like to keep that going. So last week I put out a video on this channel, and I'm gonna put out another video on this channel because it's too damn cold outside to ride my bike. I know that getting outside or getting on the trainer and riding my bike will definitely lift my spirits. I've been too lazy to set up my trainer in the garage. That's the long and short of it. I realized that I was supposed to link up with one of Wit's followers after my hectic week. I completely forgot about it, so my sincerest apologies for that. Definitely going to reach out to you after I finish recording this video and see if we can get together another time, hopefully weather permitting. If you are working toward a goal, you hit those speed bumps, those roadblocks, you got to power through or go around. And in this case, I've chosen to go around those two obstacles and create another path and create another video. I just want you to know, if no one's told you, I appreciate you, and I look forward to the great things that you're going to do this year. Relatively short video today. I have some organizational work to do on the computer, and I'm going to knock that out and get ready for tomorrow. Ooh, excuse me. And if you want to see some other content from me, you can always check out one of the recommended videos that'll come on after I'm done running my mouth. And you can check out my other channel, Montee Rides Bikes. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next video.
you.